What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to change your Netflix user interface and content language. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. To change the platform's display language, begin by accessing your Netflix account page from a web browser. Once there, navigate to the Profile and Parental Control section and select the profile you intend to modify. Click on Change adjacent to the language option. From the drop-down menu, choose your desired display language and then click Save. If you notice that the language hasn't updated immediately, a simple sign out and sign in should do the trick. It's worth noting that while Netflix displays a set of 5 to 7 languages on TV and TV-connected devices based on your location and language settings, when using a web browser, you'll have the privilege of seeing all available languages for a particular title. However, remember that not every title will have the same language option. By following these steps, you can customize your Netflix experience on your PC. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.